What's up, y'all? So, man, it's Sunday, so I did some yard work earlier, but got a little project today. So, picked up a buffer tank for my trailer, 200 gallons. Obviously, you can see, super disgusting. The inside and all around. But I'm about to clean it, man. I'm about to get it nice, disinfected, clean from the inside out. I got a deal. It was $60 off Facebook Marketplace. I can't talk. Probably the heat. I need to hydrate. But yeah, I got a deal. Facebook Marketplace for $60, man. And so it does. It needs a lid. So I'm gonna get that here local. But yeah, y'all. So I'm about to get this cleaned up. I got some bleach, a little bit of soap, and I'm gonna just hit it with the pump up sprayer. Let that sit. And see what happens. All right, y'all. Check y'all out later. So, spoiler alert. It actually started like raining in the middle of the process of me cleaning, so I really didn't get good footage of me rinsing it down. Look at my daughter. She just want to be around daddy. But yeah, so basically I'm just getting inside. I got some bleach, like I said, some soap and a pump up sprayer, and just letting that sit. And I didn't hook up my pressure washer. Like, that would have been more efficient versus the garden hose, but I ain't feel like doing all that, to be honest. And I knew, you know what I mean, I can get it done without doing all of that with the water hose and even having a wet rag. But yeah, I gotta also just make sure everything is set up eventually. I gotta get another lid. I gotta get the the plumbing, some different hose to run for my pressure washer. I gotta get a flow valve. So there's a lot of different things I gotta get to make sure it's all set up. But I ain't in no rush to do all of that right now. But man, this is a huge investment for my trailer, for my equipment, because man, at some point I am going to invest in a 8 gallon per minute pressure washer. But your boy got to save, man. I got to get more jobs. I got to save, and so that's going to come down the line. But getting this all cleaned up, first step, making sure everything is applied evenly. Now I'm about to take y'all inside. It's just really dirty. And yeah, man, this is pretty straightforward. I appreciate y'all for watching the video, checking in with me. Again, I had to hop on this deal. Now here's the final result, y'all. It's all cleaned up. Clearly it's another day. Well, it's actually 2 days later. But dried out, completely sanitized, ready to roll. Like I said, I had to get the cap and get it all set up. Appreciate y'all for watching. Subscribe. Until next time, take care.